Choosing to learn generative AI right now is honestly one of the smartest career decisions you can make today. You already know AI is becoming a big part of everyday work and technology. The real challenge now is figuring out the right way to learn it. If you search for a generative AI course today, you'll be having thousands of options. And if you choose the wrong program, you face two big risks. Either you end up in a surface level course that only teaches basic prompting without real technical skills, or you get stuck in a heavily theoretical program that teaches concepts but never shows you how to build and deploy real Gen AI systems. Today, we are going to break down the key things you should look for in a generative AI course to make sure your time, your effort, and investment actually leads to real skills and career growth. Make sure the course has the right fundamentals. The first thing you should check in a generative AI course is where the learning actually begins. Right now, many courses jump directly into ChatGPT, prompting, and LLMs from day one. But if a course skips programming, data handling, machine learning, and deep learning fundamentals, that's usually a warning sign, because building a production grade generative AI system requires much more than just writing prompts. To build real AI applications, you need to understand the full system, from data and models to APIs, deployment, and performance. Which is why any good course should first build strong foundations in Python, machine learning, and deep learning before moving into advanced Gen AI concepts. So, when you are evaluating a program, make sure you check this carefully. Don't skip the basics, because without the foundation, you might be able to use AI tools casually, but you won't be able to actually build and work with real AI systems in a very professional manner. So, ask yourself, is this course really preparing you to build, or just helping you to use the tools? Check whether the course teaches real AI systems. The second thing you should look for is whether the course teaches how real AI applications are actually built. Today, anybody can connect on ChatGPT to an app and create a simple demo in just few minutes. But building something that companies can actually use in the real world is very, very different. Real AI systems need to handle company data securely, work smoothly for thousands of users, and give reliable results consistently. So, check if your course has RAG systems, the technology many modern AI assistants use to pull information from documents, databases, or company knowledge. Does it include tools like FAISS or ChromaDB for handling AI data retrieval? Does it teach frameworks like Fast API to help you build real AI applications and APIs? These are the kind of skills that help you move from just using AI tools to actually building AI products professionally. All these can help you prepare for roles like Gen AI engineer or AI application developer. See if your program focuses on hands on AI experience. The last thing you should check is how the course helps you prove your skills. A lot of courses focus heavily on certificates and badges. While certificates are good to have, they are usually not enough on their own to help you stand out in any kind of a technical roles. What really matters in the industry is practical experience and real projects. That's why a good generative AI program should focus strongly on hands-on learning and portfolio building. Instead of just making few small demo projects, you should work on multiple real world projects and a strong capstone project that shows what you can actually build. Your portfolio should include things like AI applications, API based services, cloud deployments, and real generative AI use cases. Because in interviews, the biggest advantage is being able to show real working projects. And that's what you build yourself. That's what helps employers trust your skills and take you seriously for AI roles. Check the credibility of trainers and mentors. Before joining any generative AI course, take a close look at who is actually teaching the program. Because in a field evolving this fast, the quality of guidance matters a lot. Check whether the trainers have real industry exposure, practical implementation experience, or hands on involvement in AI projects and workflows. Because learning from someone actively connected to real world AI ecosystems is really very different from learning only theory. Also, check whether mentorship and doubt support are part of the learning experience and not just pre recorded sessions. Because guidance often becomes the difference between passive learning and real skill development. If you're looking for a generative AI program built around real industry skills, that's exactly why we created the Gen AI Production Bootcamp at Winner Life Academy. This is a 6 months intensive bootcamp focused on helping learners build real world generative AI systems and not just experiment with AI tools. You will learn strong fundamentals, advanced Gen AI concepts like LLMs and RAG systems, along with deployment and ML ops skills used in real production environments. The program is heavily hands on with 16 plus practical projects and a production grade capstone project designed to help you build real job ready skills. So, if you want to move beyond surface level AI learning and start building real AI applications, check out the Generative AI Production Bootcamp at Win in Life Academy.